Welcome to the world of the chicken shredder, an innovative kitchen gadget that's changing the game for home cooks and professional chefs alike. With this tool in your culinary arsenal, shredding cooked meat becomes a breeze. Like handheld claws and mixer attachments, these shredders are crafted from durable materials such as stainless steel and high-strength plastic. They're not just for chicken either. Beef, pork, vegetables, all can be shredded with ease. The benefits? Time and effort saved in the kitchen and professional results on your plate. Plus, cleanup's a cinch. A quick trip to the dishwasher or a warm, soapy bath, and your shredder's ready for its next mission. Some shredders even boast unique features, like upgraded inner shred structures, anti-slip bases, and ergonomic handles. And rest assured, they're made with food-grade materials, because your safety and satisfaction are our top priority. So why not elevate your kitchen prowess with a chicken shredder? Join the culinary revolution, and remember, good cooking is about more than just the ingredients. It's about the tools you use. And hey, while you're at it, please follow and subscribe. Don't forget to visit culinarycrossover.com for more. We're cooking up a storm and you're invited.